Most middle-class people don't become financially trapped because they're lazy or careless. They fall into systems that quietly drain money for years while looking completely normal from the outside. Number 7. Lifestyle inflation. One of the biggest financial traps middle-class people fall into is something that feels completely harmless at first: lifestyle inflation. This usually starts the moment income increases. Someone gets a better-paying job, a promotion, or finally starts earning decent money. And almost immediately, their lifestyle begins expanding with it. They move into a more expensive apartment, upgrade their car, start buying premium products, eat out more often, take bigger vacations. Suddenly, the extra income disappears before they even notice it. And the scary part is that society encourages this behavior. People around you celebrate visible upgrades. A nicer car looks like success. A luxury apartment looks impressive. Expensive habits make people feel like they're finally making it. But financially, many middle-class families are becoming more fragile with every upgrade. Because higher lifestyles create higher obligations, the bills get bigger, the monthly pressure increases, and saving money becomes harder than ever. Many people earning six figures still live paycheck to paycheck because their expenses grow as fast as their income. That's the hidden danger of lifestyle inflation. It tricks people into thinking they're progressing financially when they're actually becoming more dependent on their next paycheck. Real financial growth doesn't happen when your spending increases. It happens when your freedom increases. And the next trap is even more dangerous because millions of people mistake it for smart financial planning. Number 6. The debt illusion. Modern debt is designed to feel painless. That's exactly why so many middle-class people fall into it. A few decades ago, debt felt serious. People avoided it because borrowing money carried emotional weight. Today, everything is packaged into small monthly payments that feel harmless. And this completely changes how people make financial decisions. Instead of asking, "Can I truly afford this?" people ask, "Can I handle the monthly payment?" That mindset quietly destroys financial stability. A new car becomes just $700 a month. A phone upgrade becomes only $45 monthly. Furniture, electronics, vacations, everything gets converted into easy payments. Individually, none of them feel dangerous. But together, they slowly consume an entire paycheck. This is why many middle-class families earn decent money, yet constantly feel stressed about finances. Before the paycheck even arrives, large portions of it already belong to banks, lenders, and credit companies. And debt doesn't only steal money, it steals flexibility. People stay in jobs they hate because bills won't stop. They avoid taking risks because monthly obligations are too heavy. One emergency suddenly becomes a financial crisis. What makes this trap so dangerous is that it often looks successful from the outside. Nice house, nice car, nice lifestyle. But behind closed doors, many people are financially exhausted. And the next trap is even more deceptive because it's something responsible people proudly do for years. Number 5. Saving without investing. A lot of middle-class people grow up believing that saving money is the ultimate financial goal. And to be fair, saving is important. But here's the problem most people realize too late. Saving money alone is no longer enough. Many people spend decades doing everything right. They avoid unnecessary spending, put money into savings accounts, build emergency funds, stay disciplined. Yet somehow they still struggle financially later in life. Why? Because inflation quietly works against them every single year. The cost of housing rises. Food gets more expensive. Healthcare increases. Education costs explode. But the money sitting in a traditional savings account barely grows at all. So even though people think they're protecting their future, their purchasing power slowly shrinks over time. This is one of the biggest differences between the middle class and financially wealthy people. The middle class mainly works for money. The wealthy learn how to make money work for them. That doesn't mean gambling or chasing risky internet trends. It means understanding long-term investing, owning assets, using compound growth, putting money into things that can increase in value over time. Because eventually, there's a limit to how much you can save from a paycheck. But there's almost no limit to what properly invested money can become after years of growth. And the next financial trap? It quietly begins when people try to look successful instead of becoming financially secure. Number 4. Looking rich too early. One of the most dangerous middle-class financial traps is spending money to look financially successful before actually becoming financially secure. And social media has made this problem far worse. Today, people constantly compare themselves to others online. They see luxury vacations, expensive restaurants, designer clothes, brand new cars, and perfect lifestyles being shown every single day. After a while, it creates pressure. People start feeling behind, and instead of building real wealth quietly, many start buying symbols of wealth to feel successful right now. That's where the trap begins. A lot of middle-class families spend huge amounts of money on things that mainly impress other people. Luxury cars with massive payments, expensive phones replaced every year, designer products bought on credit, oversized homes filled with furniture they barely use. And here's the hidden truth nobody talks about. Many wealthy people don't actually look rich, because real wealth is often invisible. It's investments, ownership, cash flow, low debt, financial freedom. But fake wealth is loud. It's carefully displayed for attention while financial stress grows quietly behind the scenes. And the saddest part? People often delay real financial security for years just to maintain an image. They sacrifice peace of mind to appear successful to people who usually aren't paying attention anyway. And the next trap becomes even more dangerous because society teaches people to accept it as completely normal. Number 3, depending on one income. Most middle-class families live with one massive financial weakness they rarely think about until something goes wrong. Their entire life depends on one source of income. One paycheck, that's it. As long as the paycheck keeps coming, life feels stable. Bills get paid, groceries are covered, the mortgage continues, everything seems fine. But the moment that income disappears, reality changes very quickly. And in today's economy, job security is far less stable than many people think. Companies downsize unexpectedly. Industries change. Technology replaces jobs. Health problems happen. Burnout happens. Yet many people structure their entire lives assuming their income will continue forever without interruption. That's incredibly risky. Because when there's only one income source, every financial problem becomes more dangerous. A job loss becomes a crisis. An emergency becomes panic. Even a few missed paychecks can completely disrupt someone's life. Financially strong people understand something important. Income alone does not create security. Multiple income streams create security. That could mean investments, a business, freelance work, rental income, dividend income, skills that generate money outside a normal salary. Because depending on one paycheck is like standing on one leg financially. It works. Until something unexpected happens. And the next trap might be the most emotionally painful one yet, because it's deeply connected to how people define success in life. Number 2, the good job trap. This is the trap that quietly controls millions of middle-class lives for decades. The belief that a good salary automatically guarantees financial freedom. At first, it sounds logical. Study hard, get a stable job, earn more money, work consistently for decades. Eventually, everything should work out, but for many people, that's not what actually happens. Instead, they become trapped in a cycle where their job supports their lifestyle, but never truly builds freedom. And over time, the pressure becomes exhausting. Many middle-class workers earn decent salaries, yet still feel financially stuck because higher income often comes with higher stress, longer hours, bigger expenses, and less personal freedom. They become dependent on the next paycheck to maintain everything they've built. That's why some people earning very high incomes still feel anxious all the time. Because deep down, they know stopping work would immediately threaten their lifestyle. This trap becomes even more dangerous emotionally because society praises people for sacrificing everything for work. Long hours become ambition. Constant stress becomes success. Burnout becomes normal. But eventually, many people realize something painful. They spent years building a career without building actual freedom. A good job can absolutely help build wealth. But if income is your only strategy, financial pressure never truly disappears. And the number one trap? It's the reason many middle-class people stay financially stuck no matter how hard they work. Number 1. Living without financial education. The biggest financial trap middle-class people fall into is something most of them were never taught in the first place. Financial education. Think about it. People spend years in school learning subjects they may never use again in real life. But almost nobody is properly taught how money actually works. Nobody explains taxes clearly. Nobody teaches investing properly. Nobody explains compound interest early enough. Nobody teaches how debt traps people. Nobody explains how banks profit from financial behavior. So millions of people enter adulthood trying to build a stable life while financially guessing their way through everything. And when people don't understand money deeply, they become easy targets for financial mistakes. They work hard, but make weak financial decisions. They earn more, but still stay stressed. They save money, but don't know how to grow it. And the harsh reality is this: in modern life, financial ignorance becomes extremely expensive. A single bad loan can cost years of progress. Poor investing habits can delay retirement by decades. Not understanding money can quietly trap people in cycles they never escape from. What makes this even more painful is that many middle-class people are incredibly hardworking. The problem usually isn't laziness, it's lack of financial knowledge. Because hard work alone doesn't automatically create wealth anymore. Understanding money matters just as much as earning it. And once people finally learn how money, debt, investing, taxes, and assets truly work, they start seeing the financial system completely differently. That's when real financial freedom finally becomes possible. Most middle-class people don't notice these financial traps until they've already fallen into them.